Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Japan. This is a Nakama Noodles box. If you want to check these out, and I highly recommend it, go to Miau, M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. There's a whole bunch of neat Japanese packs, cups, bowls, trays, lots of cool stuff I've never tried before. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, cool. All right, upon opening the box, the first thing you're going to see is this leaflet. As you can see, this is the Slurpin' Summer box. And on the back side, you got this. And this QR code will direct you to a PDF that has all sorts of information about everything that's in the box. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to scan it and open it and tell you about what's in here. All right, to start things off, we've got Nissin's Spicy Donbei Extra Serving Kitsune Udon. And yeah, this is a big freaking bowl of Kitsune Udon. Kitsune Udon, Kitsune translates to fox. And it'll have a huge piece of fried tofu in it, which is kind of sweet, a little bit chewy. Generally really nice with the kind of like a bonito broth, and I've never seen one this big, so that's pretty crazy. Next up from Ace Cook, we have Local Shop 1 Cup Kyoto Shoyu Ramen, and yeah, it's got a sachet on top, and yeah, looks like a fancy Ace Cook cup. Next up, another one from Ace Cook. This is Wise Man's Soba Meat Chili Oil flavor. And you might notice right here it mentions GABA, and GABA is like some kind of new agey supplement thing. I've seen it on a lot of things before. Generally, when they put like a vitamin or a supplemental additive in these things, they put such a small amount that it really isn't like all that beneficial as far as I know, but I'm not sure. So yeah, we'll give this a try. Well, if I told you I wasn't excited about this one, I'd be lying, folks. This is Moojo Shuma, and this is their soupless champon. And champon is kind of like a seafood stew kind of thing, and it's really, really freaking good. And as I mentioned before, see this little guy here, he's playing a horn. That's the charamera, kind of like the ice cream man comes to your neighborhood, plays their song. The ramen guy comes to your neighborhood, blows his horn, you could go and get a bowl. And another Ace Cook variety, this is another one of the local shop range. This is a Hakata, 1 cup to Hakata tonkatsu. And Hakata tonkatsu is good. It doesn't have an extra sachet on top, but yeah, I'm sure this will be pretty tasty stuff. And here's a classic. This is Sapporo Ichiban's Shia ramen bowl. And I love this stuff. My wife loves this stuff. It's a really good product. And what you might not know is that the background for my Ramen Raider logo is a gussied up bowl of Sapporo Ichiban Shio. So now you know. And here we've got a Sapporo Ichiban Spicy Miso, and I'm really stoked on this. I believe I've had the bowl version of this, but never the pack. I really love how these Nakama Noodles boxes have packs. Yeah, super cool. And to round out the box, we've got Marosan Saimen Yaki Soba. I didn't know they made a Yaki Soba in this range. I freaking love Yaki Soba, and I'm going to guess this is just going to be a standard sauce Yaki Soba. So something that pairs good with, chicken, vegetables, cabbage, things like that. Yeah, I'm excited about this one. Rad. All right, so in this, the Nakama Noodles Slurpin' Summer Matsuri July 2024 box, you get tonkatsu, shio, Wise Man's Ramen, yakisoba, spicy miso, soupless champon, classic shio ramen, a ridiculously large amount of Kitsune Udon, and your informational leaflet. Well, thank you very much to the kind folks over at Meow Mall for sending this Nakama Noodles box over. These are rad. This one had a ton in it. Really good varieties. I'm really excited about trying. If you want to get one of these, go to Miau, M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. Don't forget to use the coupon code The Ramen Rater and get yourself a discount. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.